Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the surface so chrome adheres. This is key. File and dehydrate the acrylic, then clear dust away. Don't skip alcohol or cleanser. Once done, apply a thin no-wipe or cured gel base. Cure it fully 30 to 60 seconds under LED so the surface is tack-free yet slightly receptive. The goal is a smooth, residue-free layer that lets the chrome pigment bond evenly, which prevents patchy spots later on. Now you apply the chrome pigment, and technique matters. Pressure and direction shape the finish. First, pick a dense sponge or silicone applicator. Press pigment onto the cured base in short, firm motions rather than sweeping to build reflective coverage. Once you achieve uniform coverage, clean excess powder with a soft brush. Immediately follow with a thin gel top coat to lock the powder. Cure for 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure to seal edges. To finish, apply a final thin top coat and cure fully so the chrome stays mirror-like and chip-resistant. If you see scratches or uneven areas, lightly buff just that spot. Reapply pigment with the same tapping motion, then reseal with top coat. If the chrome looks dull overall, it usually means the base wasn't cured properly or there's oil residue. Clean the nail, use fresh pigment, and repeat the sealed application. This quick troubleshooting keeps your chrome looking flawless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.